everybody, Mark Romano here from WatchGuard. Happy holidays. It's that time of year again, and we're getting lots of letters from our customers. Let's take a look at just one from Joe's Bike Shop. Hi there to our customers, colleagues, and friends. We've had a great year over here at Joe's Bike Shop. The pandemic really has people considering their exercise routine, which has been great for our business. Halloween was extra scary this year, and we suffered a ransomware attack that without our trusty WatchGuard endpoint security solution, could have been much worse than it was. We were able to quickly secure customer data, prevent any other ghoulish attacks on our employee devices. You know, I gotta tell you folks, WatchGuard endpoint security is really great. Our flagship EPDR product includes comprehensive EPP and EDR protection, as well as threat hunting, zero trust application services, and DNS filtering. And if there were any other letters in the alphabet, I'd throw them in there. Back to the letter. We're wrapping up for another great year. Can't wait to ride into 2022 with all of you. Happy holidays. Joe Sinclair, owner, Joe's Bike Shop. Hey everybody, send us your cards and letters. Happy holidays from WatchGuard.